Okay. We are under long-term averages. The scalping, the volatility indication says TT. We've seen this trade go exactly the way we wanted it to, diagonally and to the right on our pressure altitude grid. You'll see from the chart that made a new low intraday and bounced off of it. And when I get the opportunity to, I'll show you that the moving averages are full in the downside, as well as the directional analysis has read down for the first or second time. So really what I'm looking for now to be able to re-enter this trade is a move to the downside. So what I'm going to do is place an order below the market to go short. So if we see this move downward, my order will get picked up and we'll go short. And if the direction changes, this order will not get picked up and I won't be in. Move this up just a bit. Now you don't want to stay too close to the market when you're doing this because you don't want the natural fluctuation to pick you up. But what you'll notice is that there's a large allotments at these price levels that act as support. So if we actually break through these allotments and start going the other way, then my order will get picked up. But in the meantime, I'm actually not in the market just yet. Now, if you notice, as the price of the market moves up, the bid allotments are not at the same sizes that they are just underneath my price. So because of that, because the volume is not following the price of the market, I'm not actually going to be moving this order up. Okay, so now we're in the market. First thing to do is set an average point. Second is a closed position order. And we'll try to trail the market as this position becomes profitable. And just in the meantime, to show you what I'm looking at while we wait for this market to go down, you'll notice that the well, I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back over there as we get to see that again. So the directional analysis is still reading down. The moving average column is still full to the downside, and you can see that the chart looks pretty much the same as it did a few minutes ago after moving upward. There's no real large spike beyond the true average, and the projective average had gone up and has now ceased to continue going upward. That's all very good for this position that I am in now, and that's why I will continue to stay in it. Okay, so I'm going to move to cover this position now. Cover my commissions and try to let the market move downward further. Didn't really work, so let's see if I can jump back into this. I'm going to make sure that I get into this. Well, that was much lower than I wanted to be, so I'm going to set my average point closer, close position order, and look to trail the market. And we are actually very close to the lows of the day, so I'm going to be a little bit more conservative here. Would have liked to have not gotten out of that original position, but it is what it is, and I can't change the past. So if you take notice, not a whole lot is changing over the course of the indicators. I'll see that the moving averages are still full, the directional analysis says down, short term is still half red, and if you take notice, the future projection has now moved downward. I'm going to bring you back over here as I look to cover this position. I'll get rid of the average point, don't want that to get picked up necessarily, and I'm going to trail the market a little bit closer if we can move downward. Well, that is unfortunate. Well, in my attempt to re-enter the market, it's been a little difficult because we are so close to the low of the day. The market fluctuations have been a point to 2 points, and I didn't really trail the market close enough there as I should have, knowing that we were as close to the low as we are. But you saw me re-enter and take some more from the market. So for your 2-week trial, go to www.gatewayqsecurity.com. Use promo code YouTube. Can't wait to see you there.